Hey there everyone, welcome to Teknisha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dynamically plot last n amount of data. For example, here is the ad revenue for a company for last couple of years. So here the revenue chart is plotting the last 6 entries, that is from October 2022 to March 2023. And now if a new entry is added, it is automatically plotted on this chart. Let's see how to do this. Here is the ad revenue for last couple of years for a company. Let's say that you want to plot the last 6 months of ad revenue. To execute it, we could select the last 6 entries and then insert a 2D column chart. Let's say if there's a new entry. So in April 2023, you add 8,500. And now if you need this chart to be updated, you need to select and then probably move the data one row below. You can do this dynamically. Let me show you how. So let's delete the chart. So what we require is to plot the last 6 entries in this table. So if you could access the 6 latest data, we could easily plot a chart which is dynamic. So we can get a specific rows from a data using an Excel function called take. So let's go to cell F4 and type in the formula equal to take of the array, which is going to be our data. And let's say you want to first get 5 rows of data. So this takes the top 5 rows from our table and plots it from cell F4 to cell G8. If we change it to, let's say, 10, it would plot the first 10 entries. If you want to plot the bottom 6 entries, so you can go to cell F4 and type in the formula take revenue and -6. Minus indicates from the bottom, and when you press enter, you will get the bottom 6 data from our ad revenue table. Now this is the data which we want to plot. So let me just select it. And I'm going to insert a column chart. Great. Let's just add data labels. The advantage of using take function is that it is dynamic. So now if I put a new entry here, let's say for May, and if I put 9,000, it automatically gets updated in our table and hence the chart. Take function can be really useful when you want to plot a specific amount of data which has to be dynamic. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.